At Replay Listings, we make it easy for you to follow up with your real estate prospects by leveraging video tours and the latest technology. Let's start with signing up. To sign up, simply download the Replay Listings app on the App Store and identify as a real estate agent. Press register and input your license number. You can also skip this step and go back to it later. During the sign-up process, add your phone number and your email and create a password. Keep in mind that this email and phone number are the contact information that prospects will have access to. Verify your email and press the dismiss button to access the agent's dashboard. On your dashboard, you'll be able to access every listing you upload. You can upload sales or rentals, exclusives, or open listings. You can upload existing videos that you've taken or record videos from within our app. Free accounts are able to upload 2 live listings at once. If you want to have an unlimited amount of listings that you can upload, share, and store in our cloud, simply press the top banner to become a premium agent. You may select a monthly subscription or a yearly subscription if you'd like to save by paying yearly. Now let's talk about the best video practices. Keep in mind that clients usually only see between 10 and 30 seconds of your video, so make sure you start recording your tour at the best part of the apartment. Move slow and steady while recording that video tour. Remember, turn on all the lights, open the drapes, and put the bathroom lid down, please. Details matter when recording a video, and you want to present a property in its best light. You may leverage the audio feature by narrating while you record the apartment. Similar to social media, your prospects will have the option to experience your video tour with or without audio. If you want to mute your video, you can do so when you upload it by simply pressing mute. Hiding the full address. We understand that as agents, you need to protect the property owner sometimes by not disclosing the full address. When you are uploading a video listing, we will ask you if you would like to show the full address or not. At Replay, we respect your privacy. Drafts. When you're touring properties with clients, sometimes you do not have the time to provide all the necessary information to create a new listing and upload it into a platform, which is why we created the drafts feature, which gives you the ability to provide the details at a later time. Going live. Once you have uploaded the video, simply provide the property address and amenities to finalize uploading your listing. A web page is automatically created for that particular property, and it includes your name and your contact information so that you will be able to share it on social media, text, email, QR code, and many other forms. Follow-ups. After every tour, we recommend doing our one-click follow-ups. Simply select the properties that you toured or that you would like to show your prospects, enter their name and email, and we will automatically create a template for you so that you just have to press send. The follow-up feature has saved our users up to 2 hours daily by avoiding having to do the regular follow-ups. We strongly encourage you to try it. When you upload a video tour to Replay Listings, we also publish it for free on our website with the objective of providing quality leads for you. You can expect less leads than our competitors, but more quality ones given the fact that they have already experienced the inside of that property as it truly is. Now, this is how renters experience our mobile app, and they can immediately contact you directly or schedule an appointment at their desired time. They can even communicate with you directly if they have any questions about that listing.
So this is apartment 3A. Renovated.
We currently have a website and an iOS app, but we're looking at building the Android app as well. For more information or any questions you may have, please feel free to contact us at info@replaylistings.com. And thank you.